Hi everyone, welcome to Modern Yani. To talk about this channel, I would be explaining stories and myths covering topics about holy places in India, Indian gods, and Indian kings. There are a lot of stories in India that have been passed down from generation to generation, some true and some that are unbelievable. So, similarly, today we will talk about the story that has been passed down to this generation about the Nagaraja temple at Tamil Nadu in the Kanyakumari district. So let us begin. Nagaraja temple is a Hindu temple worshipping Nagaraja, king of serpents, Vasuki, situated at the heart of Nagarkoil town. The name for the town Nagarkoil originated from this temple. The temple has innumerable statues of serpents. The temple has 3 shrines. The oldest and the main shrine remains the original Nagaraja. The second shrine is dedicated to Ananta Krishna, which is the baby Krishna dancing on a coiled snake. Third shrine is dedicated to Lord Shiva. At the entrance of this temple, you can see 2 huge 5-hooded cobra statues, and the Sanctum Sanctorum also consists of a 5-hooded cobra statue. Going back to the mythology of this temple, long ago, a lady was cutting grass in this area. She was surprised when she found blood oozing out from her sickle as she accidentally hit a stone. She went and brought the nearby villagers and saw a 5-headed serpent statue bleeding. From then, a small temple was set for Nagaraja. There are a lot of notable stories about this temple. Firstly, when the temple was first constructed, Nagaraja told in the dream of the king of Kalakadu that his roof should be only a thatched roof. So the western side roof is still a thatched roof even till this day. Every year, when they remake the roof, they see a snake in it. Secondly, during 1516 to 1535, Bhutala Veera, Sri Veera Udaya Martanda Varma was ruling this area with his headquarters as Kalakadu. He was suffering from leprosy. He came to this temple every week and then he got cured. From then on, every Sunday, this temple is crowded with devotees. Even today, the main priest of this temple is from the Pambumekadu Illam family of Nambudris from Kerala, who worship Nagaraja generation after generation. They even rear snakes like their infants. Another main attention in this temple is that the Sanctum Sanctorum is a sand surface and it is wet as it was a field earlier. This wet sand is offered as prasada. The wonder is that the sand is black 6 months and then white for the rest of the 6 months. Lots of cobras can be found near the temple area. Within 1 mile area from the temple, there is no history of anyone being killed by the venom of a snake bite. Page 48, volume 11 of Encyclopedia of Religion and Ethics, published in the US, has taken note of this point. Now let us talk about the perceived benefits for devotees coming to this temple. Boon for childbirth, remedy for skin disease, remedy for sarpadosham. Yes, that's all for this video today. I have added the Google Map location of this temple in the description and you can check it out. So if you like this video and want more, please like, comment and share. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thank you.